Hey guys, today we're going to be looking at 3 baby birds. You see it? Okay. So the birds are little. There's the newborn. And here they are. No. They are so cute. Okay, that's gonna be the end of the video today.